Whenever you have 2 points and they're asking for the 0 or the x-intercept or the y-intercept, the first thing that you do is you type in the 2 points here, and then you click right here on the circle for a couple of seconds and go all the way down to a line. What this does is that it connects it for you, and it'll be a lot easier for you to see. So from here, you can actually detect which one is my x-intercept and which one is my y-intercept. So on the y-intercept is this one right here, which is the one that's going up and down, which is at 8. How about the other one? The other one, the x-intercept, is this one right here, which is this number 4. And that's it. Basically, you just connect them by clicking on the circle, holding it, and go all the way down to lines, and it will connect the 2 lines for you, the 2 points for you, and you're going to be able to see if it's the x-intercept and the y-intercept.